1938 Pontiac Sedan. Flathead, straight six, 3 on the tree. There'll be underneath pics of this, still pics on our website, theraceshop.com. The paint job's okay on them. It's got a lot of cracking, but it's a good driver. It's actually really fun to drive. Really fun. Interior is all 100% original. I'm pretty sure. It looks like it anyway. It's just a good little driver. Like I say, we'll have more pics of it. It's really raining a lot. We're going to have a drive video. Like I say, the paint, it's a 20-footer all the way around.
Oh. Promoting Bang right now. See how many of those we can get.
I think that's paint. I don't know why, but it's paint. That's suicide doors, which is cool. Or his and hers, whatever you prefer. All original under the hood, still a 6-volt system. We took it for a test drive the other day and forgot to put the cap on totally, so it got a little water came out, but once we put the cap back on right, it did not come out. That's it. So get on the website, check us out, theraceshop.com.